Hello Upka takers, this is Sachika. Today, try natin yung problem na to. Two positive integers, neither a multiple of 10, have a product of 10,000. What is the sum of the two integers? So at first glance, mukha siyang imposible, di ba? Kasi yung may isip mong factors ay all multiples of 10. Pero, this is actually possible using prime factorization. So our number is 10,000. Pwede mo siyang ma-factor into 10 times 1,000. Itong 1,000, pwede siyang 10 times 100. And 100 is 10 times 10. Itong 10 na to, you can factor into 5 times 2. So same for every other 10. 5 times 2. So, let's write down lahat ng factors natin. Meron tayong 5 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 to the power of, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, as you can see, meron tayong dalawang factors dito. 5 to the power of 4 is 625 times 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So, as you can see, yung factors natin, hindi na sila multiples of 10. Pero yung hinahanap sa atin is yung sum ng factors na to. So, 625 plus 16 is equal to 641. And this is our answer. So, ayun. I hope you learned something from this video.